It was a cold, rainy morning. Arjun was standing at the bus stop, holding his wet jacket close to his body. He had an important meeting that day and he could not be late. When the bus arrived, he reached into his pocket to take out his wallet. But it was not there. Arjun checked his pockets again. Then he checked his bag. Then he checked the ground. His wallet was gone. He felt worried. The rain was falling harder and he had no money for the ticket. People behind him were waiting and the driver was watching him. Slowly Arjun said, "Sir, I lost my wallet. I don't have money for the ticket today." The bus driver looked at him for a moment. His face was serious, but his eyes were kind. He said, "It's okay, get in. Everyone needs help sometimes." Arjun felt surprised. No one had spoken to him like that in a long time. He stepped inside and found a seat. As the bus moved, he watched the driver in the mirror. The man looked tired, but he still gave a small smile to every passenger who entered. Arjun felt his eyes fill with tears, not from sadness, but from the simple kindness he had just received. A stranger had trusted him without asking anything in return. When the bus reached his stop, Arjun walked to the front and said, "Thank you. I won't forget this." The driver nodded and said, "Just help someone else when you can." Arjun stepped out into the rain with a lighter heart. The world suddenly felt a little warmer.